When we need to declare a pointer, then we need to use this star symbol, and here you can see that we have declared a pointer p, and then comma, then q comes. Now please remember that q is not pointer. The star operator is only right associative. That means immediately next to the star operator will be considered as pointer, and q is therefore not a pointer. So if we want q to be pointer as well, then we need to declare star here as well. Okay, now the conception of pointer to pointer. Now pointer itself is a variable that we have understood. Say we have this pointer p, and we have a variable x here, that's integer. Let's go ahead and declare x as well. I'm declaring x here with the content 100. So the content of the x is 100, and we have 100 stored here in 4 bytes, and the variable x is having address. So I'm considering that the address of x is 8000th byte. Now the p is also a variable, although it's a pointer variable, but it is allocated in the RAM and it's in the stack area. So p will also have the address. So I consider that this is say something like this, 8120. Now if I assign the address of x to p, then we say that the p is right now pointing to x. Now using the variable p or the pointer p, we can manipulate the content of x. That means we have 8000 here, and we say that 8000, the pointer p is right now pointing to x, and we can access this location using this pointer p. So the benefit of pointer is that we don't need to have the variable name in order to manipulate its content, but if the address is kept, we can use that address in pointers in order to manipulate the content. Now pointer p is also allocated, and it is having this address 8120. So we can keep this address again in some pointers, and that's going to be the pointer to the pointer. Now the address of pointer is considered as the pointer to pointer, and for that we need to declare the variable with 2 stars. So I declare the variable in this way, star k, then k is going to be considered as pointer to integer. That means whatever the byte number that we keep in k will be considered as the address of integer pointer. So here it is, k is pointer to pointer, and again k is also allocated somewhere. Say we consider this 8150 for the address of k. Now if I go ahead and assign k equals to %p, then that is correct, because p is pointer and the address of pointer is pointer to pointer. So I can assign the address of p here at k. So it's going to be 8120. In that case, k is going to point p, and p in turn going to point x. So this is the chain. Now using k, I can access p, and as well as I can access x, because p is there to access x. So if I can access p using k, so using k I can access x as well, using 2 stars in this way. Now if I say that star p, then it's star p, then it's actually x. If I say that star k, it's actually p. But if I say star k, then it's actually indicating x. That means if I go and print %d star k, it's going to get me the content of x. And still I'm capable of changing the content of x using k as well as using p. So after this operation, obviously the content of x is going to be 101. So I hope that this is clear. Let me come again once more. Now whenever we are using star k, now star k means value at the address k, and that is this pointer 8000. K is 8120. So star of 8120, that means the value at 8120, that is 8000. So again we put a star, that means value at 8000, and that is 100. Okay, so here it is 100. Now we are adding 1 with the 100, So it's going to be assigned to the same location x, star star k means x, so this is going to be 101, and then we are printing x, that means it's going to be 101. So let's run this and check that it's really working fine. So you see that it's 100 at the beginning and then it's 101. Thank you.